Hi everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2022 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. There's a fresh trade here, under 90 freshwater hours on both the mains and the generator, sitting in the 80s there. Coming back to the boat here, walk in and you can see he's done the ivory seats on this boat. It's an all white boat on the exterior. Ivory seats, a good looking white boat. Walking up here, it's got the twin 300 horsepower Mercuries with Axius, glass dash. Favorite part about these new Sundancers is walking, nice up front seating up at the bow area. And I have windlass on this. Go back down into the cabin here. Down in the cabin here, you see we have the nice seating area up front. Turns into a V-berth here. Then you have the berth back there. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this new trade we have coming in, 2022 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Thanks. Have a great day.